Hello and welcome everybody. So in today's video we are going to be talking about and installing Python, which you are going to be using if you clicked on this video, and we highly recommend that this is the code that you start out with because it is one of the most simple codes that you could possibly study or begin to use. Okay, so how do you start? You Google Python and then you enter in Python. And then you're going to be going to this site right here, python.org. So we're going to be clicking on that, and we're going to be downloading the most recent download, which could be anywhere from, which could be 3.9, or if you're watching this in the future, hello people in the future, you just download the most recent version of Python because it updates a lot. So we're going to click on that. We're going to click download. There we go. Some people like downloading other forms, earlier versions, but I think that personally you should start out with the most recent one. So we are going to once you get to the screen, you're going to have to click something very important. This little check mark right in the bottom that says add Python 3.9 to path. Click on that. It's very important. And there we go. That is basically what you need to do to install Python. No, I don't want to cancel.
Click the no button. And then click the install now button.
Install now. Okay, so we are going to be setting this up, and basically using this, you are going to be running Python files, and we are going to be teaching you in the next video how to code a Hello World program that you can do during this. And I would recommend starting out with the online tutorial and documentation that is for this, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Yeah, yup. So now we're going to close out of this, and now we are going to show you guys how to set up a Python file. Alrighty, so now, we are going to be creating a file somewhere on our computer. I would recommend the desktop, and if you have a data drive, please do that, or you could just do it on your in somewhere else. Alrighty, so I'm going to go into my data drive. And I'm going to create a new folder, which is right there. And I'm going to be naming this folder Munchkin Projects. Bam! Munchkin Projects. That way, for any of our future projects, we're going to do it right here. Bam! And as you can see, this folder is completely empty. We have not put anything in. Alrighty, so now that we have Atom open, we are going to be clicking on the open folder button, and we are going to be clicking on our Munchkins Projects folder, or whatever you named your personal folder. We're going to click select folder on our Hello World folder. We're going to open this Hello World, and we are going to be left clicking on this, and we are going to add a new file, which we are going to name hello world.py. We're adding the .py at the end of it so that the computer knows to do this in Python. We're going to click enter, and there you have it. This is our new hello world.py file. Thank you guys, and have a great rest of your day.